Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review StoryShots. It is a nice software available as Android and iOS application to get quick summaries of the best-selling books in multiple media formats and languages. So with this software, you're getting quick access to summaries of the book. You can get audio highlights for about 15 minutes. You're getting nice and customizable ebook reader. StoryShots also adds helpful infographics and mind maps for selected books, and also makes available book summaries as videos. They also make content available in multiple languages. However, the number of languages will depend on a particular book. So if you're aware of Blinkist, I think StoryShot is a direct competitor, and if you don't want to pay monthly for tools like Blinkist, then having StoryShots on a lifetime deal can be a great option because you're getting all of the features as low as $39 one-time purchase. If you need to share the access, you can get multiple codes. For example, with Stackable, you're getting 5 users, and also you're getting 300 AI credits monthly. And those credits, by the comments of the creator, you can spend on generating insights for the books outside of the existing collection. So that's nice. I have played a bit with StoryShots, and I think it is a great application. As I mentioned before, it is available as mobile application. So let me demonstrate to you how it works, showing you the recording from the mobile. So on the main screen, you're getting the selection of the particular books. You can discover more in format of ebook or audiobook, or even get infographic. You can select a particular book by a category, by a language. And let's say, for example, we would like to take a look at entrepreneurship books. And for example, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. For each book, you will have several options. You will be able to read, listen, and watch. So let's see the first option, read. And in the main shot, you will be given the summary provided by StoryShots, which you will be able to read using their built-in ebook reader. You can get to a specific chapter summary, and also you can listen to the summary.
StoryShots Summary and Analysis of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Introduction. Think and Grow Rich examines the psychological power of positive.
Well, that's great. You can also listen to a particular piece.
StoryShot number 10. Successful people are resilient. Stick to your plans. If you consider those.
You can send this summary in PDF format to your Kindle or email. You can share it. And here you can see ebook reader settings. You have dark and light modes and other settings. Alright, so in Read, you can have also access to infographic, which is a nice to have feature. Also, you can have access to ebook. But for some reason, for this book, it didn't work. You can also have access to text in other languages. For example, in Spanish. And also, you can listen to a book.
Introduction. Think and Grow Rich examines the psychological more powerful than the brains that created them.
You just listened to a short summary, and as well, you can listen to a full book.
Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Ever expect to succeed in opera? My good child, give up the idea.
And also, you can watch your content.
Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world
Generated by StoryShot, and they provide other content.
Determined to transplant that burning desire into his own son as he wishes, despite.
Let's see other one. Yep, so I believe for video content, besides MainShot, they provide links to publicly available videos. And MainShot, they created themselves. let's take a look quickly at other book, The Full Hour Body. As well, you can get summary of that book.
Imagine if you could transform your body and improve your well-being in just a few hours a week.
And you can listen to it. As well, you can get infographics. That's again nice to have. And here is the summary of premium features that you're getting with StoryShots. You're getting ads-free content, which you can access offline. You can listen to your books. You can listen audio version of your summaries or having access to some version of audiobooks. You can download in PDF or send to your Kindle. Well, nice set of features. Alright, so moving to the conclusion. In my opinion, StoryShots is a solid software which provides great functionality to get summaries of the best-selling books. Of course, they are not providing all books in the world. I think their main focus on self-development, entrepreneurship, and other similar categories. But you might try this software and see if the collection that they provide will be enough for you. I liked that you can listen as well to their summaries in pretty good quality. The voices in the audio version were nice, and additionally they provided video summaries as well. So overall, I was surprised by the quality of StoryShots. So if you would like to get this tool, please check my affiliate link in the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.